So basically, this video is just a little walkthrough of what I've been doing. I haven't been doing any videos, but I have been dropping a lot of seeds at night, and then I moved them to the front porch, and then to the greenhouse, and then to these beautiful beds that my line guy made me. So now we're going to go to the greenhouse. That's my beautiful patty pan squash that's going to go in a tub with corn and with green beans. Yeah, things have kind of taken off. And these are my peekaboo cups. Now I learned this from LeadFarmer 73. That's getting root bound, but that's lemon squash. I can label it and I can see the root system. And then, of course, it has the drain holes. And then I just sit it down in these cups. Now, these are my beds that my line guy made for me. And I just really praise him for his help. I got some of my green